on to him, hoping that he doesn't feel the panic that I felt.
A mother and son rescued from their flooded home. This is what it looked like before the rain started falling. Take a look there. Normal yard, right? Within minutes, though, Pine Creek had their house surrounded by water. Channel 11's Aaron Clark joins us live from McCandless. And Aaron, his family lost pretty much everything.
Yeah, David, other than the mud back there and the obvious signs of them cleaning up here, you'd never know that this entire property was covered in water up to this crack in the ground. Nicole and Brandon Schweiger are cleaning up after floodwaters Thursday turned their dream home into a nightmare.
I had my son, he had no idea what was going on. You know, I'm just holding on to him, hoping that he doesn't feel the panic that I felt.
Within a matter of minutes, the creek that wraps around their home on Pine Creek Road in McCandless swelled. Water rushed in from everywhere.
I ran down to the garage. It was so full that our pump would not pump it out fast enough. I came back around. It was already filling the basement. It was pouring in through the front door,
leaving Nicole and her 2-year-old son stranded.
Your mind's racing, hoping that, you know, there are people there to help them to get to safety.
That water reached to this light pole. Right about here is where first responders brought their boat and were able to rescue Nicole and her son, who were waiting and trapped on their porch. A photo of that rescue is now on a GoFundMe page organized by the creator of the Facebook group Access McCandless. The link has been circulating on social media, and since the flood, the Schweigers have gotten a whole lot of help.
People want to offer fans and bring water down, and the NA wrestling team offered to come and help us clean out our garage tomorrow.
The fundraiser is already halfway to its goal, overwhelming the young couple and giving them hope.
We're going to stay. I mean, this is our dream home.
And we will have a link to that GoFundMe on our website, wpxi.com. For now, reporting live in McCandless, Aaron Clark, Channel 11 News.